Dog spot this up then. He's off. Leaving the campsite now. We've set about tents. Gonna go get a bit of wood in the bucket. Huh? Do my blog, ain't I?
Aye.
Can't see the tents anymore. And get a nice roaring fire going tonight now. A few beers, a steak prepped. I think Drufus doing a stir fry. Is it? Brought some wood for the fire. Bucket full, bag full. Another massive bag full. Taking one bucket full up already. Yeah, I think this fire's good to go now. Don't do much more than that, boy. I got these fire lighters as well, they're pretty good. Do the job. I think.
Well, they might be struggling in League Two with a 2-0 up at Cambridge. Jake Cassidy with the second for Borough. And Gillingham are level with Oxford from the penalty spot. Ollie Lee makes it 1-1 at Priestfield. We're up to date on Talk Sport with 20 minutes on in the second half here at the Emirates. Arsenal 1, Sheffield United 0. Sheffield United. Let's see how it plays out once play restarts. But Bernie and Sharp trying to get stuck in and win the ball. But it goes out. Leno couldn't keep it out. Sheffield United.
Trees are cool, mate. Got a bit of a wet log on the top. We got the interlocking logs to hold it in place. High-tech stuff. Thinks you got something good.
Some Elvis juice, you know.
Oh, it's well done. Equaliser, and Quentuzi's now gone back to the near side touchline.
Dodgy spot for the camera.
Whoosh.
You got a better spot, boy. Now.
So he's behind the wall as well. It's probably nice bit as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the warmest bit. Lovely spot for cooking beer. Prep dinner. Oof, looks good, man. The steak cooking on the fire. Veg. Bit of garlic butter, mushrooms, peppers, onions. In the oven. Right, what do you got here?
Stir fry vegetables, garlic mushrooms, red onions, and sweet chilli sauce at the minute.
Fire's going brilliant. It's plenty warm.
It's nice, alright.
Till you leave the fire and get in your tent. Warming the toes up.
That's like the smell.
Take it on fire. Time's getting on. What are we drinking?
Loving it.
What have I got? Honey whiskey. Water on the go for the coffee. All that's left of the fire. Check out the frost.
Jack Frost.
Cold night. A birdhouse. Kept me a lot warmer than the bangle. What temperature we got there? Oh, it's down to -4. Frosty tents.
I've got one more cup of coffee before I go as well now.